Let me know what y'all think in the comments below, man. We gonna go take a quick little ride on this thing around the block or something real quick, man. See what it do.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm all right.
Check yourself, man. Don't stand up for a second.
Golly.
Hold on, don't walk around.
Golly.
Make sure you're okay, all right?
Man, thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay.
The
Check
fucking.
your leg. About your ankle. Is
Yeah.
that just a bump?
Yeah,
Not a
no.
twist?
Yeah, no, we're good.
Okay.
Man, that fucking sun. I didn't even see this.
Yeah, I could tell you couldn't see it, man. I'm
Golly.
sorry about that. Let's get this thing picked up. You feel okay to pick it up?
Yeah, I'm good, man. Thank you so much for
Adrenaline's gonna hit
stopping.
you. You might be able to pick it up without. Hold on. Let's not do this yet. Let's see what we got here first.
Here, let's
Make
see.
sure we're not doing anything to it or you.
Thank you so much,
No
man.
worries. I'm not gonna leave you laying here, bud.
Oh, man, dude. That's crazy.
Let's make sure it's set steady now. I left mine idling one time. Don't ever do that. They fall over in the dirt. They just work their way in.
Oh, yeah.
So let's see what we got here. I don't want you driving away and hurting yourself.
Oh, man, I appreciate it, dog.
Okay. This thing's broken. You can't do anything about that light.
Yeah, see, what's funny is I rebuilt these, so this one was just like, everything is already just like it is.
Yeah.
So I was just testing it around the corner to see how good it was.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah, I just got it.
Oh, my gosh.
Golly.
Well, the good news is you know what you're doing. The bad news is you got something to do.
Man, that part, man. That's nuts, dog.
Front wheels okay?
Yeah, we should be good, man.
All right.
Thank you again. I really do appreciate it, buddy.
Take care of yourself.
I will try, man. Thank you. Golly. God. I'm gonna probably just take a reset really quick. You're good, man. I really do appreciate it.
No worries.
Thank
No
you.
worries. Take care.
You too, man.
Remember, you're all jacked up, right?
Hey, yeah, no, for sure.
Okay.
Golly. Wow. Fuck. Yeah, I'm good, bro. Thank you. Fuck. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm all right. Thank you.
You want me to see if the guard or somebody can help you lift that?
I'll be all right. Yeah, I just got to take a breather really quick.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I'm good, man. Yeah, I didn't even see the fucking...
Oh, did you wipe out or no?
Yeah, went right through the thing.
Oh, man.
The barrier, I didn't see it at the last minute. The sun was in my eye.
Okay. No brakes, no screens?
Yeah, no, we're good.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Is it running?
Yeah. Thank you so much, buddy.
Have a good day. Be safe.
Hey, you too, man. Thanks. Oh, damn. Yeah, this shit fucked up. Golly. It's always something, man. Oh, this is bullshit, man. Oh my God. Oh man. This shit is nuts. Definitely got a flat tire. I just fell off this motherfucker.
No, you did.
On God. I just flipped over the middle of the island. Alrighty, man. We done made it back to the house. Thankfully, like, thank God. We're freaking walking back at the house. No major issues. Man, the sun was literally in my eye. I couldn't see nothing. I don't know if it was this huge glare from this window or what, but couldn't see the island in the middle of the street until the very last minute. Man, and it was like no stopping that. But I'm good though. The front wheel definitely took all the damage. Oh yeah, look at the whole rim. It's definitely cracked. So that's why we had that wobble. But I'm sure when we switch this wheel, we should be back good to go. Still nothing else feel different on it. Gotta clean it up again, man. Gotta clean it up again, but we good, we safe. Now this bag is kind of toast now. So these guards definitely saved it again, but not so much. Yeah, I'm good. But y'all see it though. Got a couple scrapes and bruises. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, man. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. I have to come upstairs and hop in in this bathtub. I ain't never even got in before with Epsom salt and everything, man. I'm just about to relax. Crazy eye opener. Crazy eye opener, man. So just be safe out there. I'm glad I'm all right. Thanks everybody for the support. I appreciate you. But yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that I am all right. I am soaking up right now, taking a chill pill, and then we'll get back to the garage and check out the bike and a thorough review. Alrighty guys, later on in the day, fresh out the bathtub with some Epsom salt and everything, I'm feeling good, walking normal. Not feeling too bad actually. Now that we got that out the way, man, let's check this thing out, dude. Now, when I was riding home, I didn't even know the whole rim was freaking completely broken. Whole rim is shattered. No big deal there because we got another one right over there that we're gonna throw on. Give it another test ride tomorrow. Make sure nothing else is damaged. Take off this fender as we were gonna do anyway. So we'll tackle that stuff tomorrow. Still got some grass and stuff up under there, man. So gotta get this thing right. However, I am happy. I want to thank everybody who supported me and looked out and made a comment to see if I was all right. I want to thank God and all the above, man, because it could have been a lot worse. I could not see anything with that sun glaring through this windshield. So now I know. Definitely never want to ride with one of these clear window shields. I just want to get a shot of one as I got one on order already. Now you guys see how good of a job these freaking rail guards do, because this bag is still intact. Still intact. The only thing, it's still intact. The screw that's holding it is just loose. But other than that, no big deal. But I am happy. We are all right. No broken bones or nothing. The bike is running A1. We rode it home. It's literally just this wheel up here that we need to switch out. The forks and everything seem all right still. Brakes and everything still work. So that's a plus. But yeah, man, we're just going to have to tackle this tomorrow, man. I thought we was going to be able to, get it going and finalize it today before we started, throwing our mix on it. But we still got to take some stuff off. So to get this thing A1, man. So we'll get that going tomorrow, man. So stay tuned for that. So alrighty, guys, it's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got a lot of stuff done on the motorcycle today, and then we messed up a lot of stuff. We got the motorcycle done, and we had to do it all over again, man. Unfortunately, did have a wreck. Fortunately, not too bad of an injury. We are good. Just a couple scrapes and bruises, no big deal. I already took a bath in some Epsom salt, so I'm feeling pretty better already. As for the silver bike, just the front wheel is damaged. So like I said, I do have another one here we're gonna be throwing on tomorrow and getting that test ride again, man, because I gotta make sure this thing is A1. It was riding lovely. It is what it is, man. I'm glad it started back up. We rode it back home, no big issues. I'm glad my legs is fine and everything is good to go. No broken bones, man. So with that being said, you guys be safe out there, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.